Now let's move on to the second food test, which is the test for starch. Now starch is a carbohydrate. हमने देखा था कि polysaccharides में दो types हमने पढ़ी थी, starch in animals and glycogen in animals. अब starch के लिए हम टेस्ट कैसे करेंगे whether starch is present or not. First, we'll add drops of iodine solution. हम क्या करेंगे? If we want to check whether this potato contains starch or not, first of all, you're going to peel this potato. Once you have peeled this section of the potato, we are going to add iodine. Now, iodine itself has a color of brown. क्या color होता है? It has an orange-brown color. You're going to add iodine solution, and a positive result would show a color change from brown to blue-black. If the iodine is present, अगर आपके पास starch present है, the iodine would turn from brown to blue-black. उसका कलर क्या हो जाएगा? Blue black. If the potato contains starch, iodine changes color to blue black, and this would be a negative result. अगर iodine नहीं present, it will remain brown. The brown colored iodine would stay brown. But if the starch is present, which will indicate a positive result, that means वो कब आपको पता लगेगा? When the brown iodine changes from brown to blue black. अगर वो iodine solution blue black हो जाता है, this means the starch is present. If the iodine solution remains brown, this means that starch is not present.